Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your optical flow in slow motion is not working. I'm just going to show you where it is. It's in speed here, and when I make it slow motion and there's optical flow, it won't process. So what you can do is you're going to go to menu, you're going to go to more, and you're going to select the version. Check for updates and install now. You're just going to basically update your CapCut PC app, and when it's restarted, you can use the feature again. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!